Join me as I put the DJI Neo 2 to the test and see if it really is the future of drones. The DJI Neo 2 is the latest advancement in drone technology, boasting a range of innovative features that promise to revolutionize the way we fly. As we explore the capabilities of this cutting-edge drone, it's hard not to wonder if we're looking at the future of drones. One of the biggest challenges drone users face today is battery life. Whether you're a professional surveyor or a recreational flyer, nothing's more frustrating than running out of juice in the middle of a critical shot. Another major hurdle is ease of use. Let's face it, drones can be intimidating, especially for beginners. And then there are regulatory issues. With laws and guidelines constantly changing, it's tough to stay on top of what's allowed and what's not. Add to that the struggle to find a drone that meets your specific needs, and it's no wonder many of us are left feeling frustrated and disappointed. Finding a drone that checks all the right boxes is like searching for a needle in a haystack. You need something that's reliable, powerful, and easy to use. Oh, and it's gotta look cool too. But what if I told you there's a drone that's been designed to tackle all these challenges head-on? A drone that's not only user-friendly but also packs a serious punch when it comes to performance. The DJI Neo 2 is that drone. With advanced battery technology that promises longer flight times and faster charging, this drone is built to keep up with even the most demanding users. The user-friendly controls make it accessible to flyers of all levels, from complete beginners to seasoned pros. And with its regulatory compliance, you can fly safe in the knowledge you're on the right side of the law. But what really sets the DJI Neo 2 apart is its cutting-edge features. The advanced obstacle avoidance system means you can fly with confidence, even in the most challenging environments. The built-in stabilized camera captures stunning footage with ease, and the intelligent flight modes let you focus on getting the shot rather than worrying about the drone itself. And let's not forget the sleek, futuristic design that's sure to turn heads. One of the most innovative features of the DJI Neo 2, in my opinion, is its ability to adapt to different environments. Whether you're flying in the city or out in the wilderness, this drone uses advanced sensors to adjust its flight parameters on the fly. It's an incredible insight into the future of drone technology, and it's a major breakthrough that sets the Neo 2 apart from its competitors. So, is the DJI Neo 2 the future of drones? With its advanced features, user-friendly design, and commitment to regulatory compliance, I think it's definitely a strong contender. But what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's get the conversation started. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more drone-related content, be sure to check out my other videos.